Welcome to my channel NetTechGadgets. I am back with a brand new video. Today I will talk about a smartphone which is one of the best selling 5G smartphone in 2021. A phone which supports 13-band 5G frequency and one of the first smartphone to launch in India with 13-band. Yes, I'm talking about Motorola's Moto H20 Fusion. An unboxing video of this smartphone will be aired very soon in this channel, so stay tuned. Please watch my video till the end and don't forget to click the like button, subscribe and hit the icon, the bell icon for my early notification of my upcoming videos. So without wasting any times, let's go in details. The Motorola Moto H20 Fusion, a 5G enabled phone with 13-band 5G support and dual SIM 5G enabled. That is, both the SIM can have the capacity to activate 5G on both SIM cards. Both the SIM will simultaneously provide you with 5G signal. This phone also supports 2G, 3G, 4G as well. Let's start with the configuration. First, I will go with the performance. This phone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 800U 5G processor. It comes with two variants, 6GB 128GB storage and 8GB and 128GB storage. It supports Android 11 out of the box. The sensors which are provided in this phone are proximeter, ambient light, accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometer. The memory card can be expandable to 1 TB with installing a micro SD card in this phone. It has a side mounted fingerprint sensor and a face lock also. The display. Next I will come on the display. The display is a OLED display with a 6.7-inch size. It's a Full HD Plus and it has a resolutions of 2400 into 1080. The OLED display has a 90 Hz refresh rate. The aspect ratio of this phone is 20:9 max vision. Now the connectivity. The connectivity of this phone. This phone is a special phone and this phone supports 13-band 5G frequency. The 13-band 5G frequency is been supported by this phone. The 5G bands are NR bands. It also supports 4G LTE bands and 3G WCDMA band also. And as usual, 2G GSM for talking purpose. It has an inbuilt of Bluetooth 5 version, the latest version of Bluetooth, and it has NFC enabled. If you have an NFC enabled in this phone, you can transfer files, you can transfer your money to your different banks, etc. This facility is available in this phone. This phone also supports dual band Wi-Fi, that is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. This phone has a hybrid slot. I think a dedicated SIM slot is more necessary than a hybrid slot. But looking to the size of the storage, that is 128 GB, it is more than enough for a normal person to store their documents and other belongings. Now I will come the details of audio. This phone has a bottom ported speakers. It also has a 3.5 mm jack and two microphones are installed, and one of it is a noise cancellation mic. The Google Assistant is inbuilt in this phone. If I come for the design of this phone, the design of this phone is very sleek and compact. The looks is very good, and in front it has a 2.5D glass with an anti-fingerprint coating. This 2.5D glass or a Corina glass is a scratch-proof glass which prevents any scratches on the phone surface, and the fingerprint coating is for the fingerprints which comes while you are using the phone. The charging port is C-type, which is the latest charging port in Android phones. The weight of this phone is 185 grams and it is a splash proofed approved. It comes in two colors. One is cyber teal and another is electric graphite. It comes with a battery. A battery which provided by this phone is a massive battery of 5000 mAh, which supports 2 days battery life in a standard usage. It has a turbocharging facility and it has been provided with a 30-watt charger. Now I will talk about camera. This phone comes with a 108 megapixel rear quad function camera for vivid picture. 108 megapixel quad function camera on the rear of this phone. It also has the ultra wide and a micro lens for best closer picture. You can shoot a closer picture in a good quality with this ultra wide and micro lens provided in the phone. It also has a depth sensor. The depth sensor for getting professional look to the picture you shoot. The 3 camera lens was provided on the rear side of the camera. This phone supports HDR10 Plus for more vivid picture. In video mode, it supports a maximum of 4K 30 frame per second recording with various shooting mode. The front camera is 32 megapixel camera with a quad pixel technology and supports maximum of 1080 or 1080p video recording with various mode. Now the main part of this phone is the price. The price of this phone for 6GB memory or RAM and 128GB storage, the price is 21,499. And for the second variant, that is 8GB and 128GB storage, the price is 22,999. Both the variant of this phone is available in Flipkart. You can purchase online in Flipkart, and the people who are using Axis Bank credit card will be getting an extra discount of 5%. This is the full details of the Motorola's Moto Edge 20 Fusion. I will be bringing an unboxing video of this particular phone very soon in this channel, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for my early information for my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe and thank you very much.